Here is Vincent speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guy. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 3-piece luggage sets ABS lightweight suitcase with 2 hooks, spinner wheels, saw lock, black, 20/24/28. Humanized designs. 28 spinner has 2 hooks which can hang your computer bag, backpack, hat, etc. to help you relieve fatigue during your journey. 3 PCs luggage set. Set includes 20 carry-on, meets carry-on size restrictions for those traveling domestically and looking to stay light. 24 spinner and 28 spinner multiply your packing space and is ideal for long trip. High-quality materials. This 3PC set is made of ABS. This material is extremely lightweight, durable, and protects the contents of your luggage. Multi-directional spinner wheels rotate 360 degrees for easy maneuverability. This luggage allows you to pack more while avoiding the excess weight surcharges imposed by most airlines. Safety assurance. Side-mounted TSA lock allows only TSA agents to inspect your suitcase without damaging the lock when traveling. Zippers are not easy to be pierced by sharp tools, such as pens, that protects your stuffs in luggage and privacy more better. Sturdy wheels. 360 spinner wheels, multi-directional smooth and silent wheels. The wheels of luggage sets can move in all directions. Whether you are checking into the flight or your hotel, it is super easy with spinner wheels. Its features are: hard shell suitcase, featuring a scratch-resistant protective hard shell with durable zippers for reliable closure. Organized interior. The fully lined luggage includes a handy divider and an interior polyester organizer with zippered pocket for smaller items. 2 hooks, only 28 spinner. They can hang your computer bag, backpack, hat, etc. to help you relieve fatigue during your journey. Telescoping and short handles. Push-button locking handle adjusts to different stages, offering comfortable maneuvering to accommodate travelers of any size. Saw lock. Side-mounted, saw-friendly combination. Dimensions. 20 carry-on spinner, length 22.05 inch, width 14.96 inch, height 8.66 inch, 5.7 pounds. 24 checked medium, spinner, length 25.98 inch, width 17.72 inch, height 10.24 inch, 7.4 pounds. 28 checked large spinner, length 29.92 inch, width 20.08 inch, height 11.42 inch, 9.3 pounds. About Sarika.com. Sarika is a professional store for furniture and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details, which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Sarika can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5 random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via nancyjchristensen@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.